Hello guys, as you may know, DeepSeek AI has released a new open-source reasoning model, R1. It is on par with OpenAI O1 in many benchmarks. It even beats Sonnet 3.5 and O1 Mini in all benchmarks. In this video, we will explain how you can use DeepSeek R1 for free. Later, we will test its performance in reasoning and coding tests. We will do a Python Pac-Man game test against Sonnet 3.5 at the end, so let's start. Search for DeepSeek R1 and go to the Hugging Face link. This is the official Hugging Face repo of DeepSeek R1. It is a 685B total parameter model with 37 activated parameters. You can deploy this model locally on your system if it is high-end, also via Alama. You can try these Hugging Face spaces as well. It may not work in spaces as it needs good CPUs and GPUs to run. To use it for free, search for DeepSeek. Click here. Now, click Start for free. Here, you need to log in with Google or sign up with an email. After logging in or signing up, you can chat with the R1 model for free. Enable DeepThink here to use the R1 model. Let's ask a basic question to check the model name. See, it is the R1 model. So let's move to the tests, starting with reasoning tests. First is the popular strawberry test. How many are in strawberry? It is given the correct answer, which is 3, so it's a pass. Next is a simple question that most AI answers incorrectly. The surgeon, who is the boy's father, says, "I can't operate on this boy, he's my son." Who is the surgeon to the boy? AI thinks it is a riddle and answers incorrectly. It has a simple answer, which is father. It has answered that the surgeon is the mother, which is wrong. I found this question on Reddit and O1 answers it correctly. So it's a fail for the R1 model. Next is another question from Reddit. It is a cracking code question, whose answer is 3841. Let's copy the question and try. After thinking a lot, it fails and gives a wrong answer. So another fail here. Next is this decoding reasoning challenge I found on Twitter. Let's copy it and paste it into R1. Waiting now. The decoded message is, there are 3 R in strawberry, which is correct, so it's a pass. Next is an easy, popular, simple question from Quora. Kevin's parents have 5 children total. Their names are Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. What was their 5th child's name? Well, it answered correctly, which is Kevin. Usually, all AI answer simple reasoning questions correctly. It's a pass. Next is another question from Reddit. It is a translation-related question, whose answer is Macte Motto Apple. Let's copy the question and try. Waiting. The answer is generated. It is not correct, so a fail. With this, the reasoning tests are complete. DeepSeek R1 performed well and is no doubt the best open source model as of now, but it is still a little behind O1. Next up is the coding test. Let's try expert-level Python questions from here first. Trying this one. Copy and paste it into R1. Waiting now. The answer is here. Let's check it. It's a pass. Now let's try this one. Copy and paste it into R1. Again, waiting now. The answer is generated. Let's check it. It's a pass. Next, let's try a C++ expert-level question. Copy and paste it into R1, adding use C++. Waiting now. The answer is here. It's Python. So, not working here. Let's send it the problem. It is now generating in C++. The code is here. Checking the code. It is mostly a pass. Next up is the Python Pac-Man game coding test against Sonnet 3.5. Let's try R1 first. Writing a small prompt. Wait now. Code is generated. Let's try it. It is getting errors. Let's ask for a fix. Well, after 2 errors, I am able to get a working code. Let's try it. It is working but has issues like ghosts not moving, and Pac-Man is stuck in a small area and can't go to the other side. So it is not perfect. Next up is Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Using it here as here, we can use 200K context window. Waiting now. Code is generated. Let's try it. It is getting errors. Let's ask for a fix. The code is fixed. Let's try it. It is working, but it is also not perfect. The window is a little too large, but we can adjust it. Also, some other issues as you can see, but the game can be played. So this ends this coding test. In total, R1 is a great coder and can handle expert-level coding tasks. It is still behind Sonnet in the Pac-Man game test, but even then, it is a great model and a win for the open source community. That's all. Thanks for watching.